The main menu contains several additional submenus that allow the operator to view information and modify unit operation. To access the main menu, press the menu key from the standard display. Press the next and back keys to scroll through the submenu choices. When the desired submenu is shown, press the select key to access it. The following submenus are available: language, alarms, data logger, hour meters, mode, pre-trip, electric standby, diesel mode, adjust brightness, and time. To return to the standard display, press the exit key. If an alarm condition occurs, the alarm icon will appear on the display. If a shutdown alarm occurs, it will be indicated by all of the following. The alarm icon will appear. The display and backlight will flash on and off. The display will switch back and forth between normal video and reverse video. Most alarm codes can be cleared using the alarm menu. From the standard display, press the menu key. Scroll to the alarm menu by using the back and next keys. When the alarms menu is shown, press the select key. The alarm display will appear. If no alarms are present, then no alarms will be shown in the display. If alarms are present, the quantity of alarms and the most recent alarm code number will be shown. After the alarm situation is resolved, press the clear key to clear the alarm. For additional information regarding the alarm shown on the display, press the help key. To display the next alarm, press the next key. If an alarm will not clear, the condition causing it may still exist. If the alarm is not corrected, it will not clear or may be set again. If an alarm cannot be cleared from the main menu, the clear key will not appear. These alarms must be cleared by a technician. To select a different main menu item, press the next key. To return to the standard display, press the exit key. If the alarm codes reappear, contact your Thermo King dealer for assistance. An optional, built-in electronic data logger records unit operating information. This information can be used to verify unit performance during operation. A start of trip places a marker in the data logger memory to identify the beginning of a new cargo trip. If required, to initiate a new start of trip from the standard display, press the menu key, press the next or back keys to scroll to the data logger menu. When the data logger menu is shown, press the select key. The first feature that appears is the start of trip. To send a start of trip to the data logger, press the select key to select the feature and press it again to send the start of trip. The display will briefly show start of trip complete to confirm that a start of trip marker was sent into the data logger. Press the next key to select the print feature. The print screen will appear. Press the select key to print the most recent trip record. Pressing the exit key returns the display to the main menu. Hour meters are displayed using the hour meter menu. Only hour meters that are enabled will be displayed. From the standard display, press the menu key. Press the next or back key to scroll to the hour meter menu. When the hour meter menu is shown, press the select key. The hour meter display will appear. Press the next and back keys to scroll through the enabled hour meters. To return to the standard display, press the exit key. SR2 units can be operated in continuous run or cycle sentry start-stop modes. When continuous run is selected, the unit starts automatically and runs continuously to maintain set point and provide constant airflow. When cycle sentry is selected, the unit will start and stop automatically to maintain set point, keep the engine warm, and the battery charged. Not all temperature-controlled products can be properly transported using cycle sentry operation. Before selecting cycle sentry operation, be sure the cargo is approved for cycle sentry operation. When in doubt, use continuous run. From the standard display, press the menu key. Press the next and back keys to scroll to the mode menu. When the mode menu is shown, press the select key. The turn off, turn on cycle sentry screen will appear. Turning cycle sentry mode off will result in the unit running in continuous run mode. Pressing the select key will change the mode from cycle sentry to continuous. A confirmation message will appear on the display panel. The new mode is then confirmed for 10 seconds. The display then returns to the mode menu. Pressing the select key again will change the unit back to cycle sentry mode operation. If enabled, the keypad can be locked to prevent unauthorized use. If the keypad is locked, only the on and off keys function. The keypad will remain locked even if the unit is turned off and back on. If keypad lockout is active, press and hold any soft key for 5 seconds to deactivate the feature. A sleep mode feature allows the unit to be shut down for extended periods of time when the box is empty, while keeping the engine warm and the battery charged. From the standard display, press the menu key. Press the next and back keys to scroll to the mode menu. When the mode menu is shown, press the select key. Press the next and back keys to scroll to the sleep mode menu. Press the select key. Select yes to enter a time for the unit to wake up, or select no to have the unit enter sleep mode immediately. The display will show sleep, and the unit will start and stop as required to keep the engine warm and the battery charged. To exit sleep mode, press the exit key or turn the unit off and back on. The unit will resume normal operation and control to set point. To enter a wake-up time, verify the unit clock is set properly and press the yes key at the Program a Wake-up Time prompt. The display will prompt for a day the unit is to restart in normal operation. Press the plus or minus keys to scroll to the desired day. Press the yes key to confirm the day. The display will now prompt for the hour the unit is to restart in normal operation. Press the plus or minus key to scroll to the desired hour. Press the yes key to confirm the hour. Note that 24-hour military time is used. The display will now prompt for the minute the unit is to restart in normal operation. Press the plus key or minus key to scroll to the desired minute. Press the yes key to confirm the minute. The display will now prompt for a pre-trip test on Wakeup. Press the yes key to perform a pre-trip test on Wakeup. If the no key is pressed, the unit will resume normal operation on Wakeup. The display will show sleep, and the unit will start and stop as required to keep the engine warm and the battery charged. The unit will restart at the programmed time and perform a pre-trip test if programmed. After the pre-trip test is complete, the test results will be displayed and the unit will resume normal operation and control to set point. To exit sleep mode before the selected wake-up time, press the exit key or turn the unit off and back on. A pre-trip test verifies unit operation. To successfully initiate a pre-trip test, there must be no existing alarm codes. If alarm codes exist that cannot be cleared, contact your Thermo King dealer for assistance. The current unit settings are saved and stored at the end of the pre-trip test, or if the unit is turned off and back on. The pre-trip test can be run in either diesel or electric mode. The unit will auto-switch from diesel mode to electric mode or from electric mode to diesel mode during a pre-trip test if these features are enabled and the auto-switch conditions occur. The test results are reported when the pre-trip test is completed. If the pre-trip test fails, alarm codes will exist to direct the technician to the source of the problem. When performing a pre-trip test, the following issues should be considered. If running a pre-trip test on a truck or trailer loaded with dry cargo, ensure that proper airflow can occur around the load. If the load restricts airflow, false test results may occur. Also, units have high refrigeration capacity, which results in rapid temperature change. Sensitive dry cargo may be damaged as a result. If running a pre-trip test on a truck or trailer that has just been washed down, the extremely high humidity inside the truck box may result in false test results. If running a pre-trip test on a truck or trailer loaded with sensitive cargo, monitor the load temperature during the test as normal temperature control is suspended during pre-trip operation. Always perform pre-trip tests with the cargo doors closed to prevent false test results. To initiate a pre-trip test from the standard display, press the menu key. Press the next or back keys to scroll to the pre-trip menu and press the select key. If the unit is not running, a full pre-trip test will be initiated. If the unit is running in either diesel or electric mode, a running pre-trip will be performed. The pre-trip test display appears. The top line of the display indicates the unit is performing the non-running portion of the pre-trip test. The second line measures test progress. The soft keys may be used during the pre-trip test to select the hour meter, gauge, or sensor menus. To stop a pre-trip test at any time, turn the unit off. This will generate alarm code 28, pre-trip abort. Other alarm codes may also be generated. This is normal when the pre-trip test is halted before completion. Any alarm codes must be cleared before starting another pre-trip test. When the non-running tests are complete, the unit will start automatically and continue with the running pre-trip test. When all tests are complete, the results are reported as pass, check, or fail. If the results are check or fail, the accompanying alarm codes will direct the technician to the cause of the problem. If the pre-trip test results are check or fail, the problem should be diagnosed and corrected before the unit is released for service. The brightness of the HMI control panel display is adjustable. From the standard display, press the menu key. Use the next or back key to scroll to the Adjust Brightness menu. When the Adjust Brightness menu is shown, press the Select key. The Display Brightness menu will appear. Press the plus or minus keys to select the desired display brightness. When the desired brightness is shown, press the Yes key to confirm the choice. The display will briefly show Adjusting Brightness, Please Wait. The display brightness will change to the new setting. To view the system time and date from the standard display, press the menu key. Press the next and back keys to scroll to the time menu. When the time menu is shown, press the Select key. The current time and date will appear. The system time and date are only viewable using the main menu. They cannot be changed from this menu. For additional information, refer to the operator's manual. Knowing how to properly operate Thermo King refrigeration units will help ensure that the cargo being transported reaches its destination in prime condition.